with the next lecture from the chapter of medico-legal aspect of sex. In our previous lecture, we have discussed about virginity, pregnancy, and delivery. This lecture is very important from examination point of view because criminal abortion is very much asked in your exams. Each and every subtopic of criminal abortion is important. So what do you know about the term? What is the definition of abortion? क्या होता है abortion? Expulsion of product of conception. ठीक है, basically a general term में हम यही बात कर सकते हैं that it is the expulsion of the product of conception, and that can be of any type. Either it can be natural one, it can be induced one. So the legal definition, as in the forensic medicine, you are always supposed to write the legal definition. So legal definition is causing miscarriage, which consists of causing the expulsion of the contents of the uterus after the conception and before the term of the gestation. At any stage, starting from just the ovum stage up to the fetal stage, up to the end, each and every act which is induced or which is naturally happening is known as abortion. Because in gynae, when you are supposed to ask about abortion, it is 3 or 4 types of or names, separate type of names which are given to abortion. At some stage it is called abortion, at some stage it is called miscarriage, at some stage it is called preterm labor. But in forensic medicine, as it is a legal thing, in law, when in the courts, at any stage an abortion occurs, specifically the criminal abortion occurs, it is not specified to miscarriage or preterm labor, it is just labeled as the abortion, and the punishment is according to that. So this is the definition which starts from the conception till the end of the gestation, when the labor is about to give us the child. Any stage, anything suspicious occurs, we termed it to do criminal abortion. And if it is natural, we have to differentiate that it is a natural abortion, and we have to differentiate it from the induced. And in induced, we will see 2 types of induced abortions. So no offense is committed if the miscarriage, that is very important, that if the miscarriage or the abortion is going to held in the good faith of the female, okay, that is the therapeutic abortion. Because according to WHO, the definition of health doesn't mean only the physical health of the female, it means the mental health of the female also. But in Pakistan, we are just, for the therapeutic abortion, we are just concerned about द फिज़िकल हेल्थ. हम WHO की चीज़ों को ले लेते हैं, हम बहुत सी चीज़ों को पाकिस्तान में ले लेते हैं, बट हम अपने अकॉर्डिंगली उनको कर देते हैं. तो हमने ले ली कि डेफिनेशन ऑफ हेल्थ मीन्स के स्पेसिफिकली मेंटल और फिज़िकल कोई भी प्रॉब्लम ना हो. लेकिन जब हम ग्राउंड बनाएंगे तो आप देखोगे कि थेराप्यूटिक ग्राउंड में हमने कहीं मेंटल हेल्थ को नहीं रखा हुआ. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आगे हम देखेंगे कि एबॉर्शन on the social grounds, abortion on the eugenic grounds, abortion for the humanitarian ground, हम उन चीज़ों को उस तरह कंसिडर नहीं करते. ठीक है, हमें सिर्फ ये देखना होता है कि इफ़ द फीमेल्स लाइफ इन डेंजर बिकॉज ऑफ द फिजिकल एलिमेंट, थेराप्यूटिक एबॉर्शन इज ओनली डन बिकॉज ऑफ दैट. ठीक है, तो ये जो बात लिखी हुई है यहाँ पे, दैट इज ओनली फॉर कि वो गुड हेल्थ ऑफ द फीमेल फिजिकली, या हम आगे देखेंगे कि इफ़ द फीटस इज हैविंग सब एबनॉर्मेलिटी या कोई और मसला, ठीक है, और पोटेंशियल उसके अंदर कोई सिंड्रोम डेवलप होने की कंडीशन हो, ठीक है, या फीमेल इज सो मच एक्सपोज टू साइटोटॉक्सिक ड्रग्स और रेडियोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट में या है वो रेडिएशंस बहुत ज़्यादा मिल गई हैं. इन दैट कंडीशंस व्हेन यू आर वेरी मच श्योर अबाउट द हेल्थ ऑफ द बेबी कि वो नहीं ठीक से होगा, उसके अंदर कोई प्रॉब्लम्स हो सकती हैं, इन दैट केसेस यू आर गोइंग टू अबॉर्ट इट थेराप्यूटिकली.